In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup export Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll have a clean, portable copy of your emails saved in a format that works with many mail apps and archiving tools. Start by opening your web browser and going to mail.zoho.com. This takes you into your Zoho Mail inbox, which is where we'll begin. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the settings panel, which may appear as a sidebar or a full page, depending on your layout. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Import Export Emails. It's part of the Mail settings area and is specifically designed for moving messages in and out of your account. Click Import Export Emails to open the export options. On the export screen, choose Export as EML. EML is a widely supported format that saves each email as an individual file, preserving the subject, sender, recipients, timestamps, and attachments. This makes it easy to import messages into other mail clients or keep them as a searchable archive. Next, select the folder you want to back up. You can choose Inbox, Sent, or any custom folder you've created. If you only need certain messages, set a specific date range so you capture exactly what you want. If you're aiming for a comprehensive backup of that folder, choose a range that covers your entire history there. If your chosen folder has nested folders inside it, check the option labeled Include Subfolders. This ensures everything under that folder, like project folders or automatically sorted messages, gets included in the export so you don't miss anything important. When your folder and dates look right, click Export as EML to start the process. Zoho Mail will prepare your export, and depending on how many messages you've selected, it may take a little time. Keep your browser open while it runs. When it's ready, your browser will prompt you to download the export file, often as a zip containing all the EML files, typically organized by folder. Save it somewhere you can easily find later. That's the entire workflow. Go to mail.zoho.com, open the gear icon for settings, scroll to Import Export Emails, choose Export as EML, pick your folder and date range, include subfolders if needed, and click Export as EML to download your backup. With that, you now have a portable, dependable copy of your Zoho Mail messages that you can store safely or use with other email tools whenever you need.